Welcome to Mikecolesvids. I appreciate you tuning in. And thank you very much to all my new and longtime subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the content. We got some stickers in, so if you see me out on the trail or at the track, hit me up. I'll be glad to share the stoke. It's the first weekend in December on a hot, humid Sunday afternoon. We're heading out to the Moto Farm. That means it's time to... All right, just unloaded the scooter. Let's get a quick van tour. It's a 2014 Mercedes Sprinter van. Started out as a cargo van. A little bit of an oddball. It came with these rear windows. And it was just dead nuts empty when I got it. So we built it out, built all the interior, built the bed. Bed lifts up underneath. Bed also folds open, rests against this piece of aluminum. We were sleeping two. Got storage off on the passenger side. Got a giant cooler box underneath the feeding station. It's got swivel seats. We did add the CL Lawrence awning windows on the side that open up. It's got a max air fan. It's got like a 3,000 watt inverter behind the seat. I also run a battery box, and it's got an auxiliary battery underneath the passenger seat. Into it. So there's certain turns where I think I'm hitting that gas like a little harsh, like crappy. That's at RPM I want to be right there. It gets harder.
is dynamic riding, and it's definitely not my discipline of choice, but it is much needed helmet time, a lot of fun, and the fellowship in